a great pleasure standing between two charming ladies. One is called
Larissa.
and the other
Ida.
Ida. Well, I noticed one thing. You have some wonderful products here. What's the name of your company?
It's a Tijule company in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon, Jamaica.
It's a long existing company, or is it just started?
No, the company is actually over 35 years old, and we've been in the export market for that long.
Is it functioning good also, the export market?
Yes, it is, but we're looking to other markets
Yes,
for opportunities.
What are your main products?
The main products are sauces, condiments, a range of canned products like ackee, callaloo. And in terms of the sauces, we have wet sauces, dry ones, hot, very hot, spicy sauces, mild and average.
You've been listening to your companion or chief, or what is she exactly from you?
Pardon me?
Is she your companion or your chief or your...
She's my colleague.
Oh, colleague,
Yes.
that's nice. You work together.
Yes, we do.
Okay. You heard what she explained now. What do you think you have more to offer to the German market?
Well, the unique thing about Tijule Company is that our brand Juiliana provides authentic Caribbean taste. The thing about our product is that it's very diverse. So we vary from the savory to the sweet to the hot and the heat. So I feel like our products essentially will do well in the European market, and you just get a splash in the Jamaican culture.
How is it functioning in the Caribbean?
It's actually functioning quite well throughout the Caribbean and North America.
North America already. That market's like building up at the moment.
Right now, North America has been in the North American market for some time now, and it has also been within the Caribbean market as well for some time now. So we're now just trying to step into the European market.
Is it your first tryout?
Within the European market, yes.
You didn't try England as yet neither?
Germany's our first.
Now, Germany is a very important market, so I hope you'll succeed here. What gave you the idea to join this whole organization to come here and expose your products?
Well, we were granted the opportunity through Caribbean Export first and foremost, and they provided us with the privilege along with the opportunity to come to Germany to showcase our products all the way from Jamaica. We came a far way.
Oh, yeah. How long is the flight?
Well, so I was traveling from Canada, so it was 9 hours, and Ida, you are coming in from Jamaica, so approximately...
From Jamaica, 4 hours to here? No,
No.
it should be more.
To Toronto and then,
yeah.
and then on to Germany.
Oh, you flew from Toronto to Germany?
Yes,
This must be 10 hours or something like that?
9 hours.
Yeah. What else can you add to her conversation? What do you think really will be able to grab the European market of these products?
Based on the responses we've had from persons who have passed the booth today, they're very interested in our products. They like the taste, the quality, and we can assure them that we have food safety systems in place for traceability, and we're prepared to modify our products to suit their needs.
Yes. And do you have this certificate that they're always asking for?
Yes, we are internationally accredited company, FDA approved.
Yes, that's important for the Germans.
And we have a ready and stable workforce that can support all orders that we get internationally.
Oh, is your organization only in Jamaica, or do you have offices in other places?
No, it's only in Jamaica at the moment.
No, because I heard you talking about Toronto and...
No, it was
USA.
in terms of logistics and how to get here the fastest way.
Yes. And in the US market, you have maybe an agent or something working there?
We have distributors in the US and in UK markets, but Tijule has been exported mainly to the US market, but we're diversifying and looking at other opportunities, especially the EU market.
I think it's a good idea to try it out anyhow, you know?
Yes, and then because a lot of people are familiar with Jamaica and the Jamaican food, so we see this as an ideal opportunity to come here.
Especially very German people go to Jamaica.
Yes, that's true. We met some lovely people today, and they all loved our product.
Well, I think it's been a very nice interview. If you don't have anything else to add to it at the moment?
No, nothing else for today. Thank you.
Well, it's been a pleasure to be here, and I'm sure love to see the way your products are selected here on the table. I guess they're very good. If not, they will not be entering into the UK, United States and those places in UK. So let's hope for Germany it's going to be a success.
We are very hopeful and would like to take this opportunity to thank the Caribbean Export
That's very nice.
for inviting us here, and we look forward to future events in Europe.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.